Welcome to today's video, guys. We're going to talk about forks in the garden and what does it actually do and accomplish. If you're enjoying these garden videos, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video where you get a glimpse of some of our recent videos that are part of our 140 plus video library. Thanks for watching. You guys have seen these videos here. The fork actually will take and deter a pest. That is what everyone is using the forks for, and it doesn't necessarily have to be a fork. You can also use plastic spoons. You're going to want to use a lot of them, so if you guys have those sitting around, add them to your garden. I've got cats around the barn, and they also like to get out and disturb the flower beds, so this is a really great way to eliminate cats from squatting and messing up a nice flower bed. So that is the reason why everybody is using, or the stir is about using forks, plastic forks in the garden. Guys, if you happen to use this method, let me know how it works out for you. Please leave your comments down below, and we'll see you in the next video.